Yo, what is up, guys? Come on in, come on in. Welcome to the Incubator, okay? Welcome to the Incubator. Come on, let me show you a couple things. So, this is a brand new office. Come this way, come this way. This is a brand new office that we just got. If you want to just look around, check that out, check that part out. Right now, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a full office tour, okay? This is the brand new office that we got. I'm turning this into a Amazon incubator. This is where I'm gonna be working out of. This is where we are gonna create multiple 7-figure brands on Amazon, and we're gonna take advantage of this Amazon gold rush. So let's go for an office tour first, and then maybe we can sit down and we can chat a little bit farther. But obviously you just walk through the hallway to get in. This is in Cole Harbour in Vancouver, Canada. This is in the financial district. You can see office buildings everywhere behind me, and right beside the water. So you get a little bit glimpse of the water view and the mountain. So this wall right here, man, if you want to just point people towards this wall, this massive wall right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hire a graffiti artist, and we're gonna paint some crazy pictures on here. So we're gonna do portraits of Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and maybe J.K. Rowling, because I absolutely love her story, right? So we're gonna have this wall, this mirror wall right here. So this is the open space. This is the open space. So right now, as you can see, I only have one table because I needed one table to work out of. All the furnitures are coming here on a Wednesday. Today is Sunday. So by the end of this week, this whole thing is gonna be set up. So right now we just have a desk. Me and Men, we're just doing some work. We'll have a couple meetings here and there. So basically, gonna get these big desks, and we're gonna go all the way down. We're gonna go all the way down this aisle, and we're gonna have a lot of desks over there. And then this area right here in the middle, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this into kind of a lounging area where you can do some work, right? Sometimes you don't wanna do work anymore, like on the desk. You wanna come here and you wanna just like sit down and do some work. This is still the working area. Over there is probably an office that I'm gonna be blocking off for my own Amazon businesses. So that's gonna be in the corner. So this is kind of the main place. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna host like events and stuff like this as well. And I think when it comes to events, I'm just gonna have the speakers over here, chairs lined up over here, and then we can have like, you know, crazy events and stuff like that. Well, maybe not crazy, but you know what I mean, e-commerce related events. Okay, so come on this way. I'm gonna show you a couple other things. So this is the kitchen. You get a full kitchen, well, not the full kitchen, but you get a kitchen, you got a fridge, I bought the microwave, I got some plates, some cups, some cutleries and stuff like that. You know, you got all your cabinets and stuff, so people can store their food, microwave their food, they can eat here. So come on this way. This area over here, this is gonna be kind of the common area, right? I'm gonna have a TV over here, we're gonna have couches over here, we're gonna have dining tables right along here so people can microwave their food and, you know, come here and basically eat. This is gonna be kind of the chilling area where you can come and kind of socialize. It's gonna be very, very relaxing. You're gonna have some more couches over there. So yeah, this is gonna be kind of the common area. But this room right here is kind of funny. So this room is like a call room. So if you need to take a call, whatever you need, then hop in here, you can take your call. So you can book this room to take some calls, whatever. But the good thing about Amazon businesses is that you don't need to really make too many calls, right? There's not really people you call, I guess, other than your suppliers. And Amazon seller support, sometimes you have to call them. But come on this way. So this is gonna be my office. This is gonna be my office. I'm super excited. Basically the outline is gonna be, so come over here for a sec. Now this wall right here, as you see, I'm gonna mount a big TV on here, okay? Big TV. Now down this way, this is all gonna just be a conference table, okay? So we're gonna have a conference table, and this is gonna be my podcast room as well. I'm gonna start up a new podcast where I'm gonna invite entrepreneurs to share their story of how they got started, where they got, how they got to where they are today. Not all Amazon FBA related, but definitely business and lifestyle related. I'm gonna invite people to come here to do podcast interviews. So this glass right here, I'm getting this whole glass frosted. I'm gonna embed my logo right in the middle, so that's gonna look really, really sick. And then gonna hang probably like a big poster over here, probably like a big poster over here. And then we're gonna set up like lights. We're gonna have like 3 cameras. So it's gonna be like pretty much like a full production in here, okay? And in the corner, we might have some like, you know, I don't know, some random stuff like a love seat. Like if I wanna go chill there and like read a book or something, I can do that. So yeah, this is pretty much the office space, okay? Wanted to give you guys a quick tour, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sit down and put the camera down and kind of talk to you guys about this whole thing, this whole vision, whatever. Yeah, I'll see you guys in just 1 second. All right, guys, now that you've seen the tour of the office, I'm gonna sit down here and talk to you guys a little bit about this whole entire project, what I've been working on. So the space is called Incubator, and it's exactly what it sounds like. This is gonna be an incubator for my local Amazon students, where they get to come in and help. I basically get to help them to build their Amazon FBA businesses. They're gonna be in such a cool environment. It's gonna be very collaborative. And basically, in terms of the incubator, how it's gonna work is that it's a 3 months program. And so obviously I'm gonna open up this like 4 times a year. So within the 3 months, depending on your level, if you're a beginner, obviously at the end of the 3rd month, the goal is to help you to get your product on Amazon as fast as possible, right? Now, if you're someone who is already selling on Amazon, then your goal is obviously a little bit different. But it's gonna be in chunks of 3 months. And how this even came about was the fact that it all goes back to kind of building a community. I've been teaching Amazon FBA in Vancouver for the past year, and it's definitely been one of the most rewarding things I've ever done in my entire life. Helping others to, you know, give them an option to escape from their daily routine that they're so bored of. Because a lot of people want more in life. We all want more in life, but how do you get there? What are the things that you need to do to get there? And the reason why I'm really doing this is because I knew what it was like before, because I came from absolutely nothing. I was I was kicked out of by 3 universities here in Vancouver. People thought I was a loser. No one believed in me. But I always tried different things. I always had the open-mindedness to try different things, but I failed at all of them. And it wasn't until I found Amazon FBA where my life completely changed. So I now want to offer this opportunity to other people out there, because I know there's other people out there that was similar to like me, who's an underdog, who no one believes in them. They are always trying to, you know, try these different things, but nothing has worked for them. And I know how hard it is to be in that position. And I truly, truly believe that Amazon FBA is probably the easiest and the fastest and the best way to make money online 2019 going to 2020. Now, I'm not saying that, I did say the word easy, but I'm not saying, hey, you can just like build an Amazon FBA business overnight with no work. No, it takes work, it takes dedication. But relatively speaking to other business models, I truly believe that Amazon FBA is definitely one of the easier ones. So I want to be able to offer this to more people. Now, a lot of people have taken my course, but as you guys know, like not everybody takes action, even after attending a course. The reality is that a lot of people still don't take action. But at the end of the day, I feel like building an Amazon business can definitely be very lonely at the beginning. So I wanted to do this space where they can basically come in and work out of the space and receive additional mentorship from me, and ultimately helping them to establish a sustainable, profitable Amazon FBA business. So this is the incubator, and I'm going to be using this space for a lot of different things. I'm going to be hosting events, hosting masterminds, hosting meetups, all these different things. And once you have things like a space like this, there's just so many ideas in my head that I cannot wait to implement. And this is definitely one of the scariest, one of the biggest risks that I've ever taken, because the rent in this place, again, Cole Harbour, downtown Vancouver, top floor of an office building, about 3,000 square feet, is not cheap by any means. So it is a rather short-term lease. I got only about 2 years left on this, so it's not like I have to commit to a 5-year lease or anything like that. But I just really followed my gut. I followed my gut, and I just you know, I have this thing where it's like, you know, Jeff Bezos says this all the time. It's like minimizing regrets. And I feel like if I pass on this opportunity and I had all these ideas in my head of what the space could be and I never actually implemented on it, I definitely would have regretted this decision to not, you know, pursue this incubator. So I said, you know what, like, what's the worst thing that can happen? I'll lose a shitload of money, but ultimately I will not have regret. And so I said, you know what, let's do this. Signed the lease super fast, moved in, not prepared at all. And the furnitures are coming in a few days. So I'm gonna furnish this place up and do some renovations, stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, I just wanna show you guys that, you know, the whole point of me documenting my journey is to hopefully motivate and inspire other people to take action. And, you know, you don't have to sell on Amazon. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do that. Everybody lives their own life. But just know that we're all given this amazing gift of life, and we can do anything we want in this life. Like if people have gone to Mars, or maybe, I don't know, no, people have not gone to Mars, but if Elon Musk can freaking send spaceships to space, like we can accomplish a lot of things. And I just feel like, you know, thinking about this whole regret thing, yeah, like minimizing regret. I don't want to have those type of regrets when I'm older, so I'd rather do it now. And what's the worst gonna happen? Money comes, money goes, but I truly believe that it's gonna be an incredible experience. And I can't wait until this office is packed up and until, you know, this entire office is decorated. This is gonna be our hub. This is gonna be our home. Yeah, so I'm excited. And 2 years ago, I was still working a 9 to 5. It's not like, you know, 2 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5. I knew that, like, I just didn't think it was sustainable where the company was going. And I knew that it wasn't, I didn't want to remain comfortable. I wanted to plan ahead. I said, hey, what happens in 2 years, 3 years? And I really got bored as well. Like, the job itself was just, every single day was the same thing. There was no more challenges, really. I got really bored. So 2 years ago, I was working a 9 to 5 job. And today, you know, September 9th, whatever today is, 7th, you know, we have this office space in downtown Vancouver. Sometimes I feel like it's still a dream. And yeah, sometimes I don't even know what's going on a lot of times, to be honest with you. I just feel like time is flying past by. I'm just trying to make the best use of it. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna learn my lessons. I'm gonna make the right moves. I'm gonna make the wrong moves. I'm gonna make some people happy, piss off some people. That's just the reality of life. Like, that's just it. So anyway, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. So maybe I'll end this video here. But I just want to show you guys the office space and what I'm doing and why I'm doing it and how this all came about. Well, expect a lot of new content coming from this office. That's for sure. That is for sure. There's going to be some cool stuff coming up. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are very excited. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Welcome to the incubator. Hey, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. Really hope you got a lot of value from this. And if you are interested in watching more, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you've seen it till the end, give your boy a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video.